Okay, a frequency table looks like that. Can you see?
Yeah.
Yeah. This is how a frequency table looks like. Okay, you don't need the cumulative frequency on the side. Like this part. You won't need it. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. So you see there are all these numbers here. Like, you know, like we have, maybe we start with 0. So we have 1 0, 2 0, 3 0, 4 0. Any more zeros? No more, right?
No.
Yeah, total
Wait.
got 4 zeros.
Yeah.
So on the table, whoops. On the table, you should be having so over here I'll be writing number of mistakes. Right? Because the variable is number of mistakes. Make sense?
Yeah.
Yeah. Then over here, I'll be writing on the other side of the column, I'll be writing frequency. So for 0 number of mistakes, I have 4.
Yeah.
Okay, so on and so forth. So you have to go and find out for every single number of mistakes and its respective frequency. Can you do that for me?
So Yeah. Okay then.
Send me. Hello, you send me already?
Yeah, I'm sending you. Yeah, send it.
Okay. Oh, you still crop for me. Oh, you're very nice. You're such a nice person. This is when you say thank you.
Oh, thank you.
Okay, let's check. How many zeros are there? There are 4 zeros. How many ones are there? We have 1, 2, 2. Correct. How many twos are there? We have uh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. How many threes are there? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many sixes are there? We have no. How many fours are there? Sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Correct. How many fives are there? 1, 2, 3. Eh? There are 3 fives, right? See? 1, 2, 3. Correct?
Oh. Oh.
1, 2, 3. Deal with it, huh?
Yeah.
How many sixes are there? 1, 2. Okay? Let me know when you're done with the corrections. Okay. Can. Let me tell you. I teach you a method, right? To check whether the number of frequency is correct or not. Okay. If it's correct, right, the whole chunk here, when you add up together, are you looking at the screen?
Yeah.
The whole chunk here, when you add up together, right, it should always be equals to 30.
Oh.
Because it's the number of times each number happens, what? And if there are only 30 pupils in the class, okay, each person will only make a specific number of mistakes.
Yeah.
Yeah. So when you add up all the frequencies over here, you should be getting 30 when you add them up. That's one way to check.
Okay.
Can?
Yeah.
Okay. Next, draw a histogram. So what is histogram? Histogram is basically what you saw just now. Okay. Like you flip on your textbook, right? Okay. Me. Let me find you a nice histogram.
I send you
Oh,
the
okay.
textbook.
Yeah, yes. The one at the bottom is a histogram. Yeah, this is a histogram. Okay. So as you can see, how do you skillfully and accurately draw a histogram?
From the middle.
Firstly, step one, the title. Okay. Step two, the X and Y axis. And you have to label them. Okay? Hello?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Label it.
Yeah. You have to label them. When I mean label them, I mean you have to label all these coordinates. I mean all these values. Like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and the unit. 30, 25, 35, 45, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, all these. And then the unit also.
Yeah, so I have to put marks.
Sorry again?
So where the word frequency at, we supposed to have the word marks, right?
You have put frequency. Don't have to. Frequency is just number of times it happens. It's not marks.
And length
But
change.
yeah, for the length, right, you have to change to number of mistakes.
Okay.
You understand what I'm trying to say? For this part, you have to change to number of mistakes. Okay. Can? So if you understood this, I want to explain something else to you. So usually, oh man. Okay, usually students have this misconception. Like, hey, he'll be like, hey, Kenny, should I label my number here, or should I label it in the center? Or should I label it in the center? Like, for instance, if they have something like that, then they have like, you know, okay. So they'll be like, oh, should I label like maybe here, then here like 20, then here 30, okay? Or should I label it like 20, 30, 40? Which one?
That one? I don't get.
Should we label in the middle of the block, or should we label at the corner of the block? Can you see where I'm drawing? Corner of the block. Okay, actually to me both are fine, but it depends on your school's requirement. If you want to label at the corner of the block, like what like what is stated here, just be careful. This 25, right, is referring to frequency 2. This 30 is referring to frequency 4. 35 is referring to frequency 7. 40 is referring to frequency 10, so on and so forth.
Yeah.
Get it? So you want to label like how about your textbook, how your like textbook label, right? Can. But you have to make sure that you above the 35, when you draw a line up, okay, it will get to the frequency that you have calculated.
Okay.
Can? Okay, can you show me a histogram using what? What do you have to use to draw the histogram?
Ruler.
Ruler, ruler and
Graph paper. Pencil.
pencil. Yes, correct. By the way, one last thing, Kaylan.
Yeah.
Check out this thing. This one. What is this?
Number short from. Oh,
Number what? Number of mistakes. It must be in context of the question. If not, you will be penalized already. You know? They give you a big fat cross here.
I need to go get.
Draw a bit faster. Yo, Kaylan. 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 Hello, Kaylan. Are you there? Yo, Kaylan, are you there?
Mm.
Oh, what took you so long, man?
Um,
Hello?
yeah.
What took you so long?
In like getting this.
Seriously? That's too long already, bro. By the time you finish this question, they say pens down already. Agree or not? Too slow already, Got to be a bit faster.
Okay.
And you use what? Pen or pencil?
Uh, Pencil.
Okay. Firstly, a few things that I want to correct here. Your number of mistakes for for zero number of mistakes is 4, right? Correct.
Yeah.
So, okay, let's do a comparison. How I would have drawn this frequency table. Sorry, how would I have drawn this histogram? Would have been like that. Because my first number is 0, right? So it would have been 4. So here is 0, here will be 4. You should have pushed this 0 here to here. Who starts 0 from not the origin? The origin is always 0.
Oh.
So all your numbers should push 1 unit to the left. You understand?
Yeah.
Actually, no. Even if you push 1 unit to the left, it will have been wrong already, because 0 is 4, yes. For 1 is 2.
Uh,
Oh, I get what you mean now. Ay. Alternatively, how you can label it, right, is like that. Dude, I teach you. Instead of labeling the 0 over here, right, that's why I was saying whether you want to label at the end of the block or in the center of the block, means I will label it here, 0. You understand what I mean? The next one is 2, right? Maybe like that. Then here will be, here is 2. You understand what I'm trying to say here? Dylan,
yeah.
are you with me or not?
So,
What did I just say?
so how you do it?
Yeah. You write the number in the middle of the block. Instead, don't write the number at the side. Because you see, if you put 1 here, right? Can you see? Can you see what I'm drawing?
Yeah.
Yeah. If you put your 1 here, when this line goes up, right? It goes to 5. But your 1 is 2. When you make the number of times they make the one mistake is the frequency is 2. But this one it goes up to 5. You get what I mean? So instead of writing it, drawing the labeling the number on the edge, right? I'd rather you label the number in the center of the rectangular block. Then it's clearer.
Okay.
Okay. Can you do the changes for me, like right now?
Alright.
Maximum I give you 3 minutes only. Just change the numbers only to the center of the block. Sorry, 1 minute only. I give you 1 minute. Done?
I need to replot the thing because I actually got some of the numbers wrong.
Which ones are wrong?
Uh, you know, the 6 is actually 2,
Yeah,
the 5 is 3, so I
yeah.
erase those.
Just the last two. What? Quick.
Erase already.
You erase everything. Hello? Hello?
Yeah,
You erase everything already.
yeah.
Okay, never mind. You draw later. I left with 15 minutes with you only. You know, right? Okay. I left with 15 minutes with you. Can you see my screen?
No,
Anyway, I left with 15 minutes. I only have until 4 o'clock. Don't do already. You draw later, then you show me. Okay? Can we carry on?
yeah.
What is the most common number of mistakes?
8.
The
Wait, no,
most.
3, 3, 3, 3.
Sorry again.
3.
3, correct. It's not 8. 8 is the number of times that 3 mistakes was being committed. Right? Hello?
Yeah.
Hey yo, I need acknowledgement because now I'm not there. So when I ask a question, I need you to respond.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. So 3 is the most common number of mistakes. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And 3 in statistics, it is also called the mode. Okay, did your teacher explain to you what is a mode?
No.
Okay, mode means the event that happens the most number of time.
That one's an outlier.
Okay, wait. We settle mode first. You understand what is mode now?
Yeah.
Okay. So basically, it's the event that happens the most number of times. So in this case, it's 3 because 3 happens 8 times. Can?
Yeah.
Okay. What is an outlier? So for instance, if I were to draw a graph, let's say I draw a graph, okay. Then I have I have points. So let's say it resembles a straight line. You know, I have scatter plot. I have a points. So obviously, if you want to draw this graph, it will have been drawn like that, right?
Yeah.
Correct. But let's say I have an outlier. Where's the outlier? Like somewhere here. As you can see, all the points are congregating over here.
Yeah.
All the points are congregating over here, okay? But suddenly there is an unknown point over here. So this is what we call the outlier.
Okay.
Can? I mean, this guy is practicing what?
Practicing. I mean, it's not like with the liner.
Is practicing.
Oh, social distance.
Nice. Okay, this is not math related. Okay, so what is the greatest number of mistakes?
Greatest number of mistakes. 3. No, 8. Wait, no, it's 3. No, 3.
No.
Huh?
When they say greatest number of mistakes means committed by a person.
6.
Yeah, 6, right? Because it's at the end of the spectrum. Correct?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, can. We're done for this question. Later you must show me the graph, huh?
Yeah, okay.
Hold on. Your question. Okay, question 2. Well, your graph just now draw too long already. I could have gone through more stuff with you. Hey, I need to see you for the next few days.
Okay.
Okay, for this one, we have to construct a different kind of frequency table. Okay, how different? I'm going to show you. Actually, it was in the in your book solution, the one that you sent.
Was?
Yeah, like over here. Here. Okay.
Yeah.
So you see, they say construct a frequency table using the class intervals.
That was the one the teacher showed me, but I didn't understand what it's.
Yeah. So just now the one that I sent you, right? Just now for the previous question, the frequency table, right? Okay, that one is a bit different because we didn't have inequalities like that. We didn't have like 5 less or equals to 5 less or equal x greater or equals to 5 lesser than 10. We don't have these kind of things, right? It was like just upfront. Number of mistakes.
Yeah.
You know, then after that we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, whatever. Correct?
Yep.
Yeah. But right now, because the values are too sparse. You know what is sparse? Too scattered.
No.
The values are too scattered. Because if you to take a look, we have like, how many 17s do we have? Let's say 17. How many 17s do we have? Only one, right? Correct?
Yeah.
How many, let's say for instance, how many 9 do we have?
1.
Only one, right? So imagine if you were to plot the graph, if you plot the table, okay?
Yeah, then you have too many.
Then it will be pointless. It will be pointless to have like 9 is only 1, 17, 1, 22, 1. Then what's the point? Right? Our whole point is to understand frequency table. That's why now they have this kind of class intervals. Because by grouping them into these classes of values, we will be able to get like more frequencies in under each class. It will be more significant. It'll be more significant for us to do that. Like the data that is derived into this from this table, right, will be more useful. You understand what I'm trying to say? Yeah, because if not, we have like this is what waiting time per patient. Okay, for the waiting time, 9 minutes waiting time. There's only one patient that wait for 9 minutes. There's only one patient that wait for 17 minutes. There's only one patient that wait for 22 minutes. Then what's the point? Correct. Whereas, if let's say if I were to have let's say now I were to tabulate, okay? I'm going to start from 5 to 10. Any values from 5 to 10? Don't have, right? Any values from 10 to 15? Or 5 to 10 have, 5 to 10 have. Yeah. So come, let's tabulate this. Okay, so we have 5 to 10, excluding 10, you see? Excluding 10, right? Can you see, Kellen?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, excluding 10. So we have 1, 9 here. Any other values that is less than 10? We have 1, 8 here. We have any other values? No more already, right? So for 5, lesser or equals, for the timing between 5 and 10, excluding 10, okay, the frequency, this will be frequency. The frequency will be 2. So there will be 2 patients that waited between the waiting time of 5 minutes to 10 minutes exclusive.
Yeah.
Okay. Then from here, I'm going to find the next one, which is from 10 inclusive, because previously the previous one I did not include 10, right? Remember?
Yeah.
Yeah. So the next timing will be inclusive of 10 to 15, but exclusive of 15. So now we have to go and find what are the different timings that are within this range. So we have 10 here, 1, 11, any others? 12 here, any others? 13, is there more?
14,
14, yes.
Underneath 12.
Underneath 12, oh yeah. Any more?
Shouldn't be.
No more already, right? Okay, so how many do we have here? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? We got 6 patients that waited between 10 and 15. Correct?
Yeah.
Yeah. So the next class interval will be from 15 to 20. Silent your phone, please.
Yeah.
The next class interval will be from 15 to 20, 20 exclusive. So this is when we need to go and find values between 15 and 20 again.
Yeah.
So
17. It's 19, 16. 16. 16, 16. The last column minus 2 16s.
okay, so how many are there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, 7.
7, right? Okay, so I want you to complete this table, okay, and show me later. Okay. The way to check whether you included all the values here is to make sure that the whole frequency here, when you sum up, okay, it should give you 36 patients.
Yeah.
Understand? After that, I want you to go and draw a histogram. Yes, it will take a while. Okay, but please try to draw a bit faster. Can?
Yeah.
I want you to show me later. I tell you, latest by, now it's 4 o'clock, latest by 5 o'clock.
Alright.
You send me. Can or not?
Mm.
What other homework do you have?
Yeah, nothing else.
You sure or not?
Mm. Yeah.
Okay, you send me the inverse proportion from the textbook. Remember where we stopped previously?
Uh,
Remember the textbook, your brother's textbook?
yeah, okay.
Can you send me that page?
Uh, well, uh, yeah,
You send me it.
uh, not yet. The
Direct proportion on the first chapter.
okay.
Wow, hey, brother, take photo also so slow. You okay or
No,
not?
I, uh,
Are you okay? Take photo don't need so slow lah.
but I didn't do it yet.
No, don't need to do. I ask you take the question.
Oh, okay.
I want to go through with you. I'm not asking you to do. You know what I'm saying?
Okay then.
Okay, I want to go through with you. Doesn't matter that you never do. I already say already. One question a day. Can it be done? Definitely can. It's a matter of whether you want to do it. Correct. Yeah. Like, after today, go and ask yourself, why did you not do it? It's just 3 questions. You could have done it in 3 days. But why did you not do it? You can tell me that you got a lot of homework, but is that true?
Not really.
Yeah. So what is the actual reason that you didn't do? Can you tell me?
Forgot.
You forgot. But why do you forgot how that you have to do this? Why will you not forget to eat? Why will you not forget to play your PS? Same thing again. It comes back to priority. It comes back to really wanting it. You get what I'm trying to say?
Yeah.
I mean, I cannot help you to want that A grade. You have to want it on your own. Like you really want it. I cannot help you to want it. I can only inspire you to want it.
Yeah. Yeah.
You understand what I'm trying to say or not? I really want to help you, Kaylen. But for me to help you, you have to help yourself so that I can help you. Can?
Okay.
Okay, I hope really. Oh, it's just one question. And in fact, I only give you 3 questions. I didn't even bother giving you like one whole page to do. I didn't. Or is it too little so that you feel that it's not important? No, right? It's not right. Can I really see one question a day? Even if I didn't issue you, right, I still want you to take initiative to go and do one question a day. Can you do that for me? Hello?
Alright.
Can we agree on that? Kaylan,
Yeah.
can we agree on that?
Okay.
Okay, okay, 5A. I mean, I don't want to spend time like trying to give you these kind of talks over and over again. I'm so very tired. Right? Like who is going to be telling me that, hey, Kenny, you know not, keep it up, man. I see that you're inspiring Kaylen. I see that you're trying to help Kaylen. Keep it up, man. Don't give up on him. Who's going to tell me that? No one. No one is going to pat me on the back and tell me that, Kenny, you did a good job. No. But me as a tutor, I have to continuously be telling students that, hey, come on, Kaylen, you know, you got it. I know you know what to do. I know you got it. You have improved. But no one is going to tell me, hey, don't give up on Kaylen. You know, he didn't do the questions this time around, but next time he's going to do it. Don't give up on him. You did a good job not giving up on him today. No one is going to say that.
Yeah.
Okay? But I hope you can recognize my effort. Because you doing what you're supposed to do will be my biggest recognition, will be my biggest acknowledgement. It will be the strongest pat on my back. That everything I did was worthwhile. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, let's carry on. 5A. We want to find the cost of 10 kg of tea leaves when 3 kg of tea leaves cost $18. So how I will present is 3 kg of tea leaves. Okay. Cost $18. So to find 10 kg of tea leaves, okay, we have to find how much does 1 kg of tea leaves cost first, right?
So divide by 3.
Yes. Divide by 3. So $18 divided by 3 will give you
6.
6, correct. So 10 kg of tea leaves will cost you
60.
60. Very good. Then you get a full marks here for part A. Okay. For part B, 5B. Okay. 5/9 of a piece of metal has a mass of, or rather, instead of doing that, we can just shorten it.
No, that's not 5B, that's question 6.
Oh, sorry. Yeah. Sorry. Okay, so find the cost of A kg of sugar when B kg of sugar costs C dollars. So B kg of sugar costs C dollars, right? Okay, so to find A kg of sugar, very simple. We just need to find how much does 1 kg of sugar cost, right? Right. So one kg of sugar will cost how much?
3.
Sorry? B kg costs C dollars. I mean, if you were to look at the examples here, how do you get this 6? You use $18 divided by 3 kg, right? Yeah. To find 1 kg of tea leaves, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So how do you find 1 kg of sugar? You use?
C divided by B.
Fantastic, bro. Correct. Then after that, I want to find A kg of sugar. How to find?
Times A.
Correct. C over B times A, so dollars, bracket. Understand?
Yeah.
Make sure you write this down somewhere. Are you writing it down? Quick man, write it fast.
Then I'll just take a picture of this.
Will you write later or not?
Yeah.
You better show me later, okay?
Okay.
Okay, I'll carry on. Anyway, this whole session is recorded. Okay, for question 6. 5/9 of a piece of metal has mass 7 kg. What is the mass of 2/7 of a piece of metal? Okay, so for this one, you will rephrase it because it's too long already. Okay, so it's a 5/9 of a metal weighs 7 kg. Okay, so now we want to find how much does one metal weigh. Okay,
Yeah.
one whole metal will weigh how much? Remember, just now we use this part to divide by 5/9, remember?
Yeah.
Yeah. So we will be using 7 kg divided by 5 over 9. Okay. 7 kg divided by 5 over 9, we will get what? We'll get 7 kg times 9 over 5, right? Because when the division flips to multiplication, okay, the fraction here will flip.
Oh, yeah.
Remember that?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So you get 7 times 9 over 5, which will give you what? What is 7 times 9 over 5?
12. Uh, 12 with a when I just 63 out of 5.
Yes. Don't need to use calculator one. 7 times 9 over 5
Oh yeah.
is equals to 7 times 9 over 5. 7 times 9 is 63. 5 remains as 5.
Yeah.
Make sense to you?
Yeah.
Okay. So we know that weigh 63 what? 63 over 5
kg.
kg. Okay, can we carry on? So now we want to find 2 over 7. One whole metal weighs 63 over 5 kg. So 2 over 7 of a metal will weigh what?
Change the denominators.
No. One whole metal will weigh this. Just now what did we do? We use this multiply by,
Oh, times. So then down times.
sorry?
63 out of 5 times 2 out of 7.
Correct. You realize for every single question we are doing the same thing?
Yeah.
Yeah. Can you remember these steps? Can you recognize the setup?
Yeah.
Yeah, can, right? It's the same old steps. So you should not go wrong, okay? So we use 63 over 5 multiplied by 2 over 7. Can you simplify this for me without using the calculator?
35. 126 out of 35.
Again?
126 out of 35.
No, dude. Do cancellation first. Look out for similar stuff to cancel.
63 and 7.
Correct. Cancel. What do you get?
9 and 1.
9 and 1. Make the number smaller first, then multiply.
5
Then,
out of 18 out of 5
yes. 18 out of 5 what?
kg.
Kg. Perfect. Answer. Get it? Can?
Yeah.
Okay. So I want to see whatever I wrote just now. I want to see it copied down. Okay. And I want to see the last 2 questions of your homework just now. Okay. On top of that, okay. You remember what you promised me just now? See, this is question 7, right?
Yep.
I want to see question 7 and question 8. Done.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I want to see question 7 and question 8, and then tomorrow I want to have a lesson with you. At around 5. At 5.
Okay.
Tomorrow 5. Okay? Can?
Yeah.
You sure? I want you to send everything to me by today. So what do you have to send to me? You better write this down first. The
The work.
homework.
Just now, the homework.
Homework. There are 2 questions.
Question 7 and 8.
I want to see the question 5 and 6 that you copied down. I want to see question 7 and 8 done and sent to me. All these. Can?
Yeah.
Okay, if not, I need to go for my next lesson already.
Okay.
Okay, bye.
Bye bye.